take these ones easily once they're baked. I like grease, not that much. And now I'm going to take a piece of dough. There are two different ways of shaping this. I'm going to show you both. The first one is just placing the round piece of dough at the base, and with our wet thumbs we're going to just press down and push up. And the other way is first shaping it into your fingers and then put them in the tin. I think maybe that technique is going to be much easier if you're using something like a tray. So let's go for both. Thumbs, a little bit of water, take the excess out, and then I'm going first to press down. Just press down, and once you feel that you are reaching the base of your tin, we are going to press and push up. Gently. You have 20 more to practice, so probably if this is not as neat as you expect, don't worry. You have more coming, waiting for you. Okay, so we make sure that the pastry is just reaching the top of your tin. Done.